Namaste, I am Dr. S.P. Moosath. Today we will discuss about a main concern of many parents whenever they come for treatment or any advice. They will ask, Doctor, when my kid will be independent? Because even if our helping is not there, also he should be able to withstand in this society. How we can make him independent? This is a simple question every parent asks. So, to answer for that, we need to know how a kid will be independent. For example, nowadays what we see is we are giving many kind of support which makes our kid not to become independent. For example, usually I say our kid is right now like following the Google map. As you all know how Google map works, or whenever we go to a destination, we'll put the destination point in the Google map, and the map will say that you go ahead, go 200 meters, turn right, then after 100 meters turn left. So every instruction is giving now and then. What happens is we may reach the destination at the proper time as per instructed, but we will not be knowing how to go in the second time. Again, we need the Google map to drive us or navigate us. So instead of that, if we are giving some instructions, or if we are asking somebody where to go, how to reach, at what point, two things will happen. One thing, we will learn the route where we need to go. The first situation will not be knowing. As per the instructions, we are moving. So right now what I see is our kids are like following the Google map. We are the Google maps. Every now and then we give instructions. For especially for my kid, my son's name is Abhiram. So we say, Abhiram, do that. Abhi, you do this. Abhi, go there, do this. Instead of giving direct instructions, you can ask many questions. For suppose if he is getting up in the morning, rather saying brush your teeth, wash your face, go to toilet, take bath, you just give some questions. What next? So when we say what next, his brain will work, processing will be there, but may not be accurate as you instruct. But at one point, he will learn what should be done at what point of time. So likewise, rather giving direct instructions to do the activity, you can just put some questions. What next? If this is there, what is going on? Just questions will make them thinking. The thinking capacity will be there. So likewise, in every situation, even if you go for a shopping, you go for riding, which road you need to go, tell them to instruct us. So likewise, you put or you ask their input to drive ahead. So at one point they will reach. Like in our institution, usually the people instruct to do the things, but here what we do is we will ask questions to the staff. What should be done? What next? So at one point they will learn how to do or how to overcome the crisis. Otherwise, every time they will wait for your instructions to do the things. So keep in mind, at one point when they are getting the processing of the mind, you just give some questions and wait for the answer. May not be perfect as you instruct, but still at one point they will reach it. Likewise, we will make them independent without any support. Namaste.